Hello everyone, I'm Meera and I'm from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. So guys, you know that I'm in the journey of learning English and improving myself in English. So, if you want to be the part of my this journey, then please stay tuned and stay in this video and watch the video till end. So guys, if you are beginner and if you are trying to improve your English speaking skill, and if you want to practice your English and you don't have any partner to improve your English and to practice your English, then you can just use these steps so easily and you can improve your English so easily. So guys, first step is speak to yourself. That means you just stay in the front of mirror and you can just speak it. And if you do this, then you will find more confident and you can speak English so easily, and there will be no need of anyone else. And guys, if you think that if I will speak alone and whenever I will make mistake, then there will be no one to speak that where I am making mistake. Guys, you are right. There will be no one to teach you that where are you making the mistake. But there is advantage that there is no one to judge you that you are making the mistake. I'm not telling you that every time you do the same work, but you just start doing this work from beginning. Later, whenever you find some confidence and you are now able to speak with others in the outside, then you just go outside with your friends and you just try to speak with your friends. And that time you will find that they are also speaking wrong, and you will tell to him that you are making this sentence wrong, you are speaking wrong pronunciation, and he will tell you. But whenever you are recording the video, that time you can do one more thing, that if you record the video for approx 5 minutes or 1 minute, only 1 minute, then you can listen that video, or you can watch this video again and again. Then you will find that I am making the mistake, and you can analyze that where I am making the mistake. So guys, I will tell you that take 30 days challenge of speaking English with yourself. This is so easy, and if you want a strategy for 30 days, then I can give you. Please comment in this comment box that how can you practice your English in 30 days and step by step, then it will be so easily. But in 30 days you will not have to break your consistency. You will be have to be consistent, because consistency is the key of being successful. So you will have to speak with yourself alone at home, and there will be no need of any excuses that today I will not speak because I have works, I have fever, I have anything else. You will not have to follow this type of any excuses, because if you will make excuse, then you will break your consistency and you will not able to learn English better. If you want 30 days a strategy that how can you improve your English by yourself, and how can you practice your English by yourself, how can you practice your English with yourself, then please comment in the comment box, and I will make a 30 days scheduled strategy that will be so easy and so helpful for you. So please share this video with your friends and who wants to learn English. Please comment on the comment box that on which topic you want the next video and from where you are watching my video. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.